morning, madlang people.
Hello.
Mabuhay. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody. Hello.
Sabado, Gloria.
de Gloria. Nakapag-beach na ba ang lahat? Di ba? Di ba? Ano sa atin
Walang
yun?
beach dito.
Ano sa atin yun? Uso sa atin, magbe-beach pag Sabado Gloria. Kasi daw, pag Friday, bawal maligo.
Noon yun.
Oo nga, di ba? Magkakaano ka daw? Ano ba yung tawag doon? Sabi ng mga matatanda sa amin, pag naligo daw ng Good Friday, yung, alam mo yun, yung may magiging mannerism kang gaganong-ganon o yung magsishake-shake ng ulo. Ano bang tawag nun?
Shake.
Pag, parang mag-ano-ano daw yung ulo mo, ganun pag naligo ka ng Good Friday. Kaya Saturday, liguan sa tanggalan ng libag, ganon. Pag Saturday, Sabado Gloria. Kami guys, punta kami sa historical, saan tayo pupunta?
Stonehenge.
Stonehenge.
Hello.
Hence.
Can you tell, Stonehenge. Can you tell us what about,
It's stones that were built by not Romans. Stone Age people to check what time it was.
so that's why it's circle.
Apparently, it was found underwater in
Yeah,
in the USA.
okay. That's why it's circle, isn't it? Because it's like a clock. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yun lang alam ko. Ano na ako, guys, dito, ilan taon na ba ako? 2009. Ilan taon na? Ngayon lang ako makakapunta doon. First time.
I don't know.
I actually wonder how big it's gonna be.
I'm not sure either. First time din makapunta tong dalawa. Kaya tingnan natin, guys. Hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyong maganda or kasi di ba ako nakakapunta. Sasabayan nyo na lang kami. Di ba?
Panoorin nyo na lang.
Sabayan na lang. Sabayan na lang tayo. Sabay-sabay
Kahit
natin.
mahal ang gasolina.
Kahit malang gasolina. Mas mo. Dapat pala nag-start tayo maglakad o mag-bike. Papunta doon. Hindi, 1.5? I think 1.5 hour ang drive.
Sana umayon yung panahon na hindi
Kaya nga eh.
umulan.
Pero parang naman ata, parang
Okay lang yan,
Naka-
maampong konti.
may araw. May araw pero yung clouds parang babagsak. Ayan Tsaka parang may ambon na sa ng car, sa windscreen natin. Sana lang wag lumakas. Ayan. Ay sus.
My face.
Parang cloudy. Sana siya mamaya, mag-clear.
Oh.
Para naman sulit ang ating first time na pagpunta sa Stone.
Hindi kiyata dito. Dito tayo dinala ng
Traffic ba?
Mama.
ginagawa nila yung may ginagawa. Ano kaya yan?
Please wait. Finity.
Ano kaya yan?
Oh, it's an obstacle course. It's an obstacle
Improving your
course.
journey.
No, that's what I.
Maybe
That's what I went
additional
on for a
road.
little bit.
Yan o,
Ay.
siguro yan.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I went on for a little bit. That's
When?
Something that I went on.
When?
When we were at our bridge camp, it was a
Diyan
little
lang
bit
Oh, is that-
smaller.
Is that where you go for your bridge camp?
No,
Oh.
it was. But I went on something like that, but it was a bit
Uh-huh.
shorter.
I thought that's where you went. Surprising because the address is not too close. Yeah. There. Bulubundukin, guys.
It's sheep.
Diba? Ay, pakyat. At talagang ginagawa yung road, winawiden nila.
Pinapalawak yan.
May road work, guys.
I want to go back to Philippines.
Well, not long. Maybe.
6 months.
I
now.
got a hammer.
Well, not 6 months.
Mom, I got a hammer.
So
Ayan, malaking road work, guys.
Where's it?
yeah.
Ginagawa nilang malawak.
Mum, is it April
Pinapalawak.
the 4th?
Today, yes. April
Yeah.
the
No,
Chocolate
it's
tail.
June
Chocolate Hill. In your dream. Chocolate dream. Chocolate in your dream. Chocolate Hills in your dream. Ayan.
We have to wait 9 more months. Yeah, 9 more months.
9 more months for what?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Are you going back to the Philippines?
Yes.
What?
If we have enough money.
Yeah. Well, we got to save some money first.
Probably not because of that.
Yeah.
What did I do? On our last video, she literally spent so much money.
I know, right? She's very good at that.
I know, it's my talent.
That's your talent. Talent
That's my
daw
first
niya.
talent. My second talent is probably singing.
Oh yeah,
No,
really?
chicken butt.
Singing in the bathroom.
It's not my fault.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you sing a lot in the bathroom, but you're shy to sing in outside the bathroom. You sing outside the bathroom. You sing in the crowd. You're scared. Why was that?
Yeah, I tell you, why was that?
Are you the banyo queen?
Baguio? No, I'm the karaoke queen.
Look, ganda oh. Parang rice terraces.
400.
It's
Yes.
a pyramid.
Go right
Yes.
on the roundabout. Second exit.
Yes.
You know how we're going to be in Philippines for Christmas?
Maybe, I don't know
And
why.
they usually give us £100.
You married this? Why?
Are we going to have
Since we
1,000 pieces?
Go right on the
No,
roundabout.
1,000 pieces only
Second
£12
exit.
in English money. I want to get some more jelly cats.
Jellicat.
No, I only want 2 Pacific ones.
Which one?
It's like a bear with a bunny robe
Oh
on it.
look, ang ganda oh. Para siyang ano,
Oh my god!
rice terraces, di ba? Hagdan-hagdan.
Wait, I thought pyramids were in Egypt.
Aha.
They, 2 of them transferred
Why?
here.
Is it, yeah, transfer. Is
2
it
of
moved
them
to
boarded
England?
a ship and went, oh yeah, let's go on holiday to England.
Yeah. Okay. So, samahan nyo kami sa biyahe, guys. At samahan nyo kaming humusga kung maganda ang Stonehenge. Bye-bye muna. Kasi mahabang travel to.
Hello?
1.5. Baka maboboard lang kayo sa mga pag-yayaw-yaw ko kung ano-anong niyayaw-yaw ng mga bata. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. Bye.
Bye guys!
Ito guys, parang malapit na yata tayo kung hindi tayo naligaw. Taas, baba, at pataas. Nag-live tayo kanina guys, pero sorry, nawalan tayo ng signal. Kay Mix, ano ba yun? Mix Crate. Creating o something. Naka-ano siya kanina, naka-view siya kanina. Nagko-comment, kaso nga lang, biglang nawalang
400
signal.
yards. Go left on
Yeah,
the
sorry.
roundabout. First exit. Then turn left.
Grip seat. Grip seat yung mga yan. Yeah, malapit na tayo. Ito at ang shuttle bus.
Dami shuttle bus.
Ito nga yung shuttle bus papunta
Go
doon,
left
diba?
on the roundabout.
Magpapark
First
tayo
exit.
dito.
Then
Tapos,
turn left.
ayun, bakit pa ng car park nila? Ang daming tao. Ang daming car, oh. Ito yung, ano,
Saan tayo magpapark ka rin? Diyan.
baka dito ang parking. Ay,
Dito.
dito. Tapos maglakad papunta doon sa shuttle bus.
Yun, shuttle.
Kaya nga, doon ang pilahan.
Turn left.
Yan ang admission.
You have reached your destination.
Maraming car, oh guys. Maraming pumupunta kasi dyan. Kasi isa sa mga tourist
Turn
spot
around
ng
when
England.
possible. Then, at the end of the road,
Isa sa
turn
mga ano,
right.
We're here.
tourist spot
Huh?
ng England. Ayan. So magpapark tayo dito tapos may motor oh. Magpapark dito tapos mag-shuttle bus papunta dun sa mismong ano Stonehenge nila. Ayan, daming car guys. Pila-pila. Nakabook tayo ng 11:30 pero okay lang naman kasi anytime From 11:30. Basta wag lang pumasok ng ng 2 hours before mag-close. Kaya yan, dito na tayo.
I don't care what you say.
Oops! Sasakyan. Lumalabas na sasakyan. Nakangusong sasakyan. Ayan. Ayan, ang daming Ang daming papunta.
Ahead. Keep right.
Mayroong park dito. Ito.
Ano
Ayan
kaya?
nila.
Disable.
Disable ba yan? Disable o pang bata?
Disable.
Disable din to.
Disable din to.
Taxi.
Ayan. Disable din.
Oh, it's pyramid.
Disable lahat dito
Leo.
kasi malapit sa Ayan, ang mga disable parking. Basta, ang disable parking is special. Priority sila, guys. Nilalagay nila sa
Okay
malapit.
na yan. Swerte nito. Nauna kami dyan. Diyan ka
Sila
na.
ang
We're
priority.
not gonna take that.
Low badge sila.
Oh, we blue badge, so can we do it?
One,
Oh, meron din pala
May
dyan.
isa dyan,
Ayan, magpaparking lang dyan.
Kaya nga may spot dyan.
Then I'll choose that. I'll choose that one.
Ayan. Ba't wala ka ng seatbelt?
I don't know.
Bakit wala ka ng
Park
seatbelt? Yeah. May spot dito. May
May
parking
spot pa din doon.
space. Ito na tayo, guys. So, see you na lang. Bastang masasabi ko maraming tao sa parking, guys. Ibig sabihin siguro maganda nga.
Hindi ba park properly?
Dinidumog ng mga tao. Ayan na. See you guys later. See you guys later, oh. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Stonehenge. Wow. Pinapakita yung unang panahon. $2,500 BC. Mga buto-buto. Ang laking bato. Bato challenge. Ito, punta tayo sa Kalapaw. Kalapaw. Ang Kalapaw ni Apong. Ay, nakapadlak.
ng kaka-record. Okay, paligid natin. Hanggang, wey! Ilan anak yan na nila? It's times 95. Ang laki guys. Uy, huwag niyang paluin. Laking bato, oh. Malaking rock. Ang laki. Ayan. Ha? Crane ang bubuhat.
At yan, ang tawag sa amin ay kalkalapaw. Ah, pan, lidda. Nilagyan ng lidda yung bubong. Lidda ang tawag sa amin. Hindi panaw. Iba yung panaw eh. Sa mga Ilocano. Lidda. Ayun.
Dad, what about it?
Oh. Is nagluto. Meron ginagawa dyan isa. Ang daming tao, hindi ka makapasok. Amoy usok pa na yan mamaya. Tara na. Ha? Oo. When we come back,
We were doing like. No, because people just kept on taking so long. But do we have to go in the back?
give me your phone.
This is just one of several Arab cemeteries located in the area. It seems to have been important to be buried within sight of the sick burial place at one time. The curses are strung out in a line alongside the much older Stonehenge curses, which suggests that it too still had some form.
Andyan na oh.
Some of the others were excavated by William Cunnington in the early 19th century,
Nakakalapit
and
mo
many
yata yung
contain
iba.
formations, some of them coming on graves, such as inks and bronze statues. Soon, you should be able to see
May
Stonehenge
mga
coming up
karabat
ahead.
din yata.
Please take care as you leave the house and ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Don't forget that you can set off for a walk in the landscape around Stonehenge afterwards if you wish. During your visit.
Yun, yung ano. Ang daming pila oh. Daming ano, pabalik. Ang daming pabalik. Oh, grabe pila oh. Dami oh.
I think we can go back.
Yeah. Okay. Damdaman to ano po ba? Go. Go kami. Thank you. Pagdalik mo. Grabe. Ah. Oh. Nice place. Kaya mahaba yung ano. Oh. Kuha tayo na yung area. Hintay na. Nakakalapit. Sabi ko eh. Mahal. Kasi marami. Mamay. Ano ito mga tatya? Sabi ko, apil sa kain. Yes, sir. Thank you. Ewan ko. Taas ang kaya. Wala. Kaya lang. Ito. English.
Ready?
Silpin ko sila. Sige, sulitin ko na kasi minsan lang yan. Guys, na tayo. Nag-travel tayo sa 1 hour. Marami po natin siya. Ang traffic sa tara na. I don't know. No, I don't know.
No, I didn't think
sarap sana kung nasa video ano yun? Yan, balik na tayo. Nakita na natin yung ano gusto nating makita. Kaya dito tayong ano dito pag mainit pwede yata ano, mag-picnic dyan sa ano sa tabi-tabi. Pwede mong kumain. Kaso medyo malamig. May mga upuan naman no. Pwede ng ano dito sa taas. Doon? Oh. Bigat is na yun. Tapos natin sa tamang basurahan. Kumain na to. At least hindi umuulan. Kung umuulan, ano, okay lang na. Huwag lang umuulan. Diba? bulak yan eh. Sabi ko daming bulak ah. Yung pala